Data is at the heart of Power BI. Whether you're creating reports and dashboards or asking questions through Q&A, these actions can only be performed on a dataset. And where does the dataset come from? Well, it comes from a data source. Power BI supports connectivity to flat files, SQL databases, and Azure Cloud, or even web platforms such as Facebook, Google Analytics, and Salesforce objects. The connectors are organized into folders, so users can easily find the connection they're looking for, or we can use the search box and locate the desired source. Let's take a closer look here. So we've got all the available connectors in the All folder. So if we want to see all the available connectors for Power BI, this is the place for us to look for. So we can see everything that it's currently structured into these little folders. Now, if we want a bit more of an organized approach, we go to File. And this gives us all the flat file sources available to connect from Power BI. Maybe we're looking for a database. Let's click on Database. And this is all the databases listed that's available inside Power BI. What about Power Platform? Now, Power Platform are services that are available to Power BI. We've got Azure as well. From the Azure side of things, we get to see all the available database-related products from Azure, such as SQL Database, SQL Data Warehouse, Azure Analysis Services, Azure Data Lake Storage Generation, both 1 and 2. So literally everything that is a data product from the Azure side of things, there is already a connector on the Power BI side. Let's go to Online Services. Online Services provides both third-party and Microsoft-related connectors. We can find things such as the SharePoint connector, but we can also find things such as the Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, Salesforce objects, Facebook, and many other connectors. On the other side of things, these are connectors that cannot be categorized into any of these folders. So we can find things such as Web, ODBC, RScript, Spark, Python script, and others. So once we are happy with the connector that we want to choose, all we have to do is we have to select the connector, click on the connect button. We'll be prompted to a screen. We'll be asked to enter credentials and other login related data and wait for Power BI to connect to the source and give us a bit of a preview in terms of what is available from the dataset.